Hi, hello, welcome to your homeschool. This is your another session of your Introduction to Trigonometry of your SSLC syllabus, NCERT or CBSE. This is your 11th chapter, and in our last session we have completed up to 11.4 exercise 4 mains. Okay, so now in this session we are going to continue our 5th main. So in your exam point of view, children, this main is very important. Okay, whereas how can we do this main? You should be perfect about what all we have done in our before sessions. That is ratios it might be, or the identities it might be. You should be perfect. If you are able to remember all those, this main you can do or complete this very easily. Okay, so here I just want to give you some introduction of this. So here you can see something. What is this main heading? Let me read afterwards. So here something is equal to something there. So how do we call in mathematical language? Left hand side, right hand side. Okay, so this is LHS, this is RHS. So here children, we need to prove that equal to this. So here when we are proving, 3 ways of proving you should know. What is that? Consider LHS. Okay, consider only LHS. Solve by using the identities. Try to get RHS answer. That is one method. Another method, consider RHS. Try to solve using identities and get your LHS answer. Okay, and your third method, at a time LHS and RHS part you can drag and simplify to get the same answer on both sides, not this. When you are doing 2 at a time, you will get this side same answer, to this side also same answer. Okay, so now listen carefully this main, it's very important. Okay, so let's see the main heading here. Prove the following identities where the angles involved are acute angles. Acute means less than 90, for which the expressions are defined. See the first question here, sub question in your 5th main. Cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So, how do we start our problem? So, first, let us start consider. We need to prove, right? So, let me consider. What we need to consider here? Left hand side, LHS. Okay, LHS part I'll take. Left hand side, what is the question you have here? Rewrite the question. Cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. Okay, children, what is cosecant theta? You might be knowing from your first class onwards. What is your cosecant theta? It is 1 by sine theta minus. What is cot theta? Cot theta is a reciprocal of tan. You may get the idea of that also. 1 by tan you remember. But here don't apply 1 by tan, children. Try to relate the two terms by sine or cos. Okay, here cot there. Instead of writing 1 by tan, you better choose what is cot theta. You know that it is adjacent by opposite. Or another words, how do we say cot theta, children? Cos theta by sin theta. Yes or no? Whole square. Okay. So now do the LCM here. Sin theta in the denominator. Okay, numerator, what you are going to get? Both are having same denominator. So directly you write with a sign. 1 minus cos theta whole square. Okay, now what we need to do here, children? Split whole square for the numerator and denominator. How we are going to split? 1 minus cos theta whole square by sin theta whole square. Okay, so let me do this side. What is 1 minus cos theta whole square? Immediately some of the children will say that it is a minus b whole square. No, you wait a minute. No need of splitting a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square, you can rewrite it as, how can you write? 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So remember here children, how did I apply this one? Since a minus b whole square can be written as a minus b into a minus b. Okay, by, look here, sin theta whole square, I can rewrite it as sin square theta. Sin theta whole square or sin square theta, both are same. Sin square theta, immediately you might be remembering some identity. What is that? Yes, it is right. What is that? Sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. From which identity you have derived this? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Then sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So let's rewrite here. 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta whole divided by, what is sin square theta? It is 1 minus cos square theta. So here children, when you understand the problem step by step, you can reduce some steps in this, right? First learn lengthy process, then you can reduce. So now, what is 1 minus cos square theta? Again, don't say sin square theta. I can rewrite this. How can I write this? I can see some identity here. A square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. Whatever you are applying here, you have to show right side. So now, again rewrite 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta by a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. Now look here children, what can I do here? 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta will be cancelled. What you are left here? 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So look here children, when you are considering this, all you have to put here equal to. Okay, so equal to. So now, what is this? Look over there, RH is same, no? So let me write this is equal to RHS. RHS is what? Right hand side. Therefore, finally, what I can say here? LHS is equal to RHS. That is, what is your answer here children? Let me rewrite here. What is that? Finally, cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Okay, hence it is proved. Last line. Hence it is proved. Why children? They asked us to prove this, that equal to this. Yes, I have proved it, therefore hence it is proved. Okay, look here, second problem. Cos A by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A is equal to 2 secant A. So now, let's consider here. See here, RHS is very small. We cannot bring to the LHS. So let me consider LHS part. So what you are going to do here? Consider left hand side equation. What you have here? cos A whole divided by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A divided by cos A. Okay. Now look here children, how to do this problem. So here I cannot simplify further. Now let me have a look carefully. So now we have to do only option is LCM. So let's see here. Let's do the LCM here. Denominator. Let me write small one this side. Cos A into 1 plus sin A. So here nothing is common. So we write like this. Cos A into 1 plus sin A. So here you have 1 plus sin A children. So what is missing? Cos A is missing. So multiply cos A. So cos A into cos A will be cos square A plus. Okay. So 1 plus sin A numerator, denominator only cos A there. So what I need to multiply for the numerator? This set. Okay, you know LCM now properly? So now 1 plus sin A if you multiply. What happens here? 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A. It will be 1 plus sin A whole square. If you want, you can write that step also in middle. Now, is equal to cos square A plus. Now apply the formula. Which formula children? It will be A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. Well-known formula. That is 1 plus sin A whole square. How do you write? 1 square is 1 plus B square is sin square A plus 2 sin A. Look here carefully. A square plus B square plus 2AB. So now divided by, don't multiply children. As it is, take down this one. 1 plus sin A. Okay, sin square A plus cos square A. What is sin square A plus cos square A? You can remember an identity. Yes, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So write that. That is equal to these two sum is 1 plus. What do you have here? 1 plus 2 sin A whole divided by cos A into 1 plus sin A. Okay. So now look over here. It will be 1 plus 1 will be how much? 2 plus 2 sin A by cos A into 1 plus sin A. Okay. Now you can see something here children. In your numerator 2 is common. So take out 2 common. 1 plus sin A by cos A into 1 plus sin A. Okay. So now 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A will be cancelled. So what you are left with here? 2 by cos A. 2 by cos A. So look here children, this one can be written as 2 into 1 by cos A. You don't have any problem now? 2 by cos A can it be written as 2 into 1 by cos A. What is 1 by cos A? It is secant A. 2 secant A. That is the one we need to prove. Therefore, that is equal to RHS. So finally, LHS is equal to RHS. What is that LHS here children? Again rewrite. Cos A by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A is equal to 2 secant A. Hence, therefore, hence, it is proved. They asked us to prove now children. Hence, it is proved. With this, you need to end your problem. Okay, your third problem, children. Tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus secant theta cosecant theta is your question. So, it is looking lengthy, children. Let's start writing here. Consider. How do you start your solution here? Consider left hand side LHS part. So in this problem you have a hint in it. What is the hint here? Use this problem using sin theta and cos theta. So what is tan theta here? Tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. Directly I am writing here in this LHS part. 1 minus cot theta is what? Cos theta by sin theta plus what is cot theta here? Cos theta by sin theta whole divided by 1 minus what is here tan theta? It will be sin theta by cos theta. Okay, so look here children, when you are writing this problem, first consider LHS when you write, rewrite this, then you write like this. Okay, what is tan theta? Sin theta by cos theta. What is cot theta? Cos theta by sin theta. So now your problem will be looking lengthy. Okay, so don't be afraid, look here carefully. So now numerator we cannot disturb. Denominator we have to do LCM. Sin theta by cos theta whole divided by. Do LCM here children. 1 and sin theta LCM will be sin theta. Okay. So now 1 into sin theta will be sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, plus cos theta by sin theta whole divided by, look here carefully, again LCM here. So 1 and cos theta LCM will be cos theta. Okay, in numerator what you are going to get? 1 into cos theta will be cos theta minus sin theta. Oh my god, what is this? Okay, now don't be afraid. So here how it is? A by B whole divided by C by D. So try to bring this denominator up. How we are going to bring children? Sin theta by cos theta into sin theta by sin theta minus cos theta. Okay. So plus same manner bring this one to the numerator part. Cos theta by sin theta into. Okay. So now this bring to the numerator. Cos theta by cos theta minus sin theta. Okay. Look here children carefully. So if you want, let me do lines like this. Okay, if you feel any confusion here. Okay, look here carefully. This is one set, this is another set, this is another. So your simplification, look here equal to and try to identify carefully. Okay, first what I have done, tan theta, cot theta simplified. Second step what I have done LCM. Third step, denominator brought to the numerator. Now, you are going to multiply your numerators children. Sin theta into sin theta will be sin square theta by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta plus cos theta into cos theta, it will be cos square theta whole divided by sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Okay, so now look here children, here you go wrong in your exam. There you stop your problem. Further you feel it is difficult. But one technique you need to remember here, just remember here in your mind, put a star mark at this step. Why? In exam don't do, but you remember in your mind. Why I need to remember this point very carefully? Why? What's the reason here? Look here carefully. So, sin theta minus cos theta there in this denominator. Whereas here, cos theta minus sin theta there. But both are not same. So, I cannot take LCM now. How? How can I take it or how can I change my problem now? Here, you need to take a negative common. When you take negative common, look here children carefully. Why am I changing here plus sign to negative for the next step? You should be very careful. So look here carefully. Minus, if you take out common, what happens? Plus sin theta become minus sin theta into. Okay. Plus cos theta it will be minus cos theta. And here minus sin theta become plus sin theta. Here you go. Look here carefully. You got sin theta minus cos theta. So for this change, we are taking a negative common. So look here carefully. Sin theta by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Now look here carefully children. Denominator I have taken negative sign common. I got this step. Look here carefully. I got this step when I take negative common. That negative I have multiplied to the plus sign. Now it became minus cos square theta by sin theta into. Okay, plus cos theta, what happened here? Minus, no? I will rewrite this set as sin theta minus cos theta. So here this step, once again I repeat children, most of the children will be confused. So look here carefully. Here sin theta minus cos theta there. Here cos theta minus sin theta there. Both are not same. Okay, I need something to do simplification of the problem. So I want to make this set same. How can I take here? I can take here negative common. If I take negative common, look here carefully. So plus sin theta became minus, plus cos theta became minus, and minus sin theta became plus sin theta. Finally, I rewrite it as sin theta minus cos theta, and this minus will be multiplied to the plus sign. It became minus. Okay, don't be confused here children. Now again take the LCM. Now it is easy. The set is same. These two you can multiply in your denominator. What is that? Sin theta cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, so look here children. Cos theta and sin theta minus cos theta there. What is missing? The sin theta is missing. Sin theta multiply for the numerator. So what is your numerator? Sin square theta. For this one more sin theta if you multiply, what happens? It will be sin cube theta minus. Here sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta there. What is missing? Cos theta. This cos theta multiply to the numerator. That is cos square theta into cos theta will be cos cube theta. Now I can remember some formula. Do you? What is that? A cube minus B cube. Children, what is A cube minus B cube formula here? Here you can have to write here beside. What is A cube minus B cube formula here? What is this? So look here children, what is a cube minus b cube formula? It is a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. Once again, what is a cube minus b cube formula? A minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. Okay, let's split that using that formula. That is equal to, what you are going to get here? Sin theta minus cos theta into, look here children, a value is sin theta, b value is cos theta. A minus b into a square means what? Sin square theta. B square means cos square theta. Plus ab sin theta into cos theta whole divided by. Okay, so now don't multiply, write as it is. Sin theta cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, so now look here children, sin theta minus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta will be cancelled. Okay, and again something I can see here, sin square theta plus cos square theta is what? 1. So let's rewrite here. This sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 plus sin theta cos theta whole divided by sin theta cos theta. Children, have a look of your RHS. Is it same? Is it same to your RHS? No. Still we need to find. How can I find this? Okay. So now, how can I find this? Split the denominator. How do you split here? Is equal to 1 by sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta. Okay. Now what happened? Sin theta cos theta cancel. But some of the children will forget this set. Don't forget, what is its answer? It will be 1. 1 you don't forget to write. Now again split this one. 1 by sin theta into 1 by cos theta. What is 1 by sin theta? It is cosecant theta. What is 1 by cos theta? It will be secant theta. Finally, I rewrite this as 1 plus secant theta cosecant theta. So cosecant theta secant theta or secant theta cosecant theta, you can write like that. So finally, what is this children? Look here carefully. This is your RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Children, it's not sufficient here. You have to rewrite your question. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Write the question again and say that. Hence, it is proved. With this, we are going to end very small problem. Okay, once again have a look here carefully. So here we have to do first column carefully. Okay, so what you are going to do in your notes, maintain more gap for every line, then you won't be confused. Okay, so here we are going to apply some of the formulas. What is that? A cube minus b cube or sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay, don't forget these all identities, where to apply, when to apply. Okay, and one more important step here is star mark. Where? Here. Okay, here most of the children will put an end for this problem. Why? I cannot do, they feel. No, you can do. If you remember this line, what I change to get the answer. If you remember, you are going to get the answer. Okay, children, with this, I am going to end your session of your introduction to trigonometry today. Let's meet in our next session. Thank you.